All right, so today we are working on the south side, and we're gonna be replacing some brick here, right there. We're gonna tear this out here, open that up, and then do this also here, and then we're also gonna be patching up a chimney up there. This right here is a real man's job, Leo. Something that you can never do. Something that I can do. It's something that Jerry can never do. But it's something that we're doing here. So we're gonna take this brick out. Leo's gonna mix up some mescla. He's gonna bring the ladrillos over here. And we're gonna get the cracking on this chimney here. Alrighty, so we were trying to figure out exactly why this was happening, and basically what I was thinking is that either there had to be a crack in the flue liner, or there had to be something behind it that was going on, because normally it wouldn't happen right here at the bottom of the chimney. Usually all the erosion stuff happens at the top. So here's what I found. So this stuff here that I guess they had dropped in when they were building the chimney, or rebuilding it some time ago, when there's a lot of moisture into this. See, so you can see all this water here, and then also we have a very thin crack in the flue liner as a result of this stuff being here. So with all the stuff that was wet there, that could have been a problem, freezing and thawing and causing the brick to spall. And then also the crack in the flue liner letting out moisture from the either water heater or the furnace, whatever this is connected to, and leaks the moisture into this, where all this mortar's at here, and then causing the brick to spall off during the freeze and thaw. So we're gonna go ahead, clean this up a little bit here, hammer and chisel it, and get some mortar set up to go, and then we're gonna lay this brick here. Now this is the best match I can find, but it'll have to do for now. Morning guys, I just want to show you guys that I can also clean too. I'm like the best labor out there. If someone were to hire me as a laborer, I'd probably be the best laborer. That's all I gotta say. These ladies nowadays, I'm not talking about you, Leo, do not know what they're doing. And that's the problem with these ladies. That's why this trade is going shun God as of lately. Because people like you, Leo, just wake up whenever you want, come to work whenever you want. generation, I swear, is just not doing too good. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these younger guys nowadays don't even know how to scoop a shovel. Ridiculous. A lot of times you gotta help them put their gloves on. That's what kind of extent it goes to. You know? I just look at it as, hey, someone taught me one day, and I gotta teach someone, but this someone is just a little difficult to teach. I think at this point he can't be taught. But what are you gonna do? At least I can say that I helped somebody. Or I try to help somebody at least. Alrighty, so we're gonna leave a little bit of debris here on the ground. You know, just some mud. Stick to that. It's not gonna stick to our ground. We're gonna get building here. So this is gonna be our match. It's not really a match, but what are you gonna do? It's the way she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes she doesn't. It's the way she goes. This time she didn't go. So yeah, not really a good match, but it's in the back of the house, and what are you gonna do? Dobra? Dobra. So we're gonna make sure we brush this off real nice so we can get a nice little bond here. And you know what I'd even like to do? I like to throw a little water on here, because a lot of the time when you throw your mud on here, it's too dry. You're not gonna get a good stick, and the work is gonna go shun God. And right here, I got my wall ties here, so I can drive the brick right into there and tie it to the existing wall. So yeah, a lot of times what you guys masons will do, and I don't really like this, I really don't. You guys get lazy, don't like to pay for your own dumping, and you guys like to dump inside the chimney. Now look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at me in the eye when I'm talking to you. Why would you do something like this? It just doesn't make sense to me. There's a crack in the flue liner now, and now the customer has to pay for it, all because you didn't want to pay an extra 40, 50 bucks to go and dump. I think it's kind of rude. I don't really like it, but the fact of the matter is that there's guys out there like that, and there's nothing you can do about it. That's it.
All right, go ahead.
Watch and learn, Masons. This is how you guys gotta do it, okay? I don't want to have to tell you guys how to do your jobs, but I guess I am. I know there's some of you guys that still are here doing it the right way, and I respect it. Like I say, you just want to make sure you get a nice good bond here. It's a little dry as we speak. So yeah. They're nice and toasty. There you go. Right in there too.
Bro, I should get paid double as a cameraman.
Huh?
Should get paid double as a cameraman.
Oh yeah, you should. What a hard job for a cameraman. What a hard job. It's a little backbreaking, huh, Leo?
Yep.
Did you guys run into Starbucks?
I want a salted caramel cold brew, small.
Salted caramel cold brew. Alright.
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Do you want
Sure?
any water or anything else?
Or just the juice, whatever juice they got. They got like
He's an apple juice
They
kind of
have
guy.
like teas, I know that, like refreshers, like.
Did you even give him a signed contract?
No, I don't do that. I just show up, do my work, and that's that. And for those of you guys that told me to use expansion joint, I'll use it next time out of courtesy to you guys. But that's just not how I learn things here. And look it, I know you guys are gonna say, Alex, your bed is too big and too much mud, you're wasting. I don't care. Okay? I'm gonna do what I want. If you guys don't like it, then unsubscribe. Okay. Dobra. All good. Now you range, make sure everything's straight. Okay. Plummet. Looks good to me. I need to start taking care of my levels more. Oh, shucks. Editing that out.
Almost my order every day.
Thank you.
I
With the salt and
love
caramel?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
was
I
like,
know.
I switched though. Now I get the caramel cold brew without the foam on top.
Why? It's the best part with the
It
salt.
literally is. Literally. They switched me onto the cream instead, but
Rambo. Hey,
hey, get inside.
get back in here.
Gotta get out of my way. Come on, brother. You think when they make movies or something, the cameramen are always in their way? No. Come on, brother. Be professional, please. La-dee-dee, la-da-doo, la-da-da. La-dee-dee, da-da-da. La-dee-dee, la-dee-doo, la-da-da. Alrighty, so we're here to acid wash. This is the job that we did yesterday. As you can see, it's still curing. It's still gonna get to its full color, but we're gonna go ahead and just clean everything up here, get all the dust off the windows and stuff like that, and see where it takes us. So, what I like to do first is mix my water. Not mix my water. I'm sorry. Grab some water here, and then just cup it onto the wall. Because a lot of times, if you just throw the acid right onto it, one, the acid will absorb into the brick, and two, it might leave streaks at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and wet this area real quick. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna try to tell me, "Oh my God, Alex, you're doing it wrong." It's like this one guy that came over to my job today and was yelling at Leo that he could do a better job than him. This old guy. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cup the acid onto the wall. Let it sizzle for a second. And then I'm going to scrub. A little more acid. I accidentally laid this brick backwards. Uh-oh. It looks like a printer that's running out of ink. Did I put the cup right on? you guys can see the comparison between the two. Look at that. You're an idiot. See on this side here? Get the nice sizzle shot. That's what I call the sizzle shot. This makes me want to have a black brick home. This is awesome. I like it. I think it looks really good. Maybe with some darker mortar.